Chevrolet Cruze, loved in 119 countries around the world. Proof we're not so different after all. It's the new world. After the Olympics comes the next big NBC event, Olympic-sized Monday. It all starts when the Today Show comes home to a whole new Plaza experience. And tomorrow night, everyone's back for The Voice. I want to win with you. Then, the Blacklist returns. Get out of town tonight. You're a criminal. Finally, it's the premiere of our new late-night lineup. The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon and the premiere of Late Night with Seth Meyers. It's an Olympic-sized Monday here on NBC.
Today, you're going to get away from it all. You're going north with the sleds. Wisconsin is where you grew up, and a little cold has never stopped you. We're with you. You'll know what conditions are like if you watch the NBC 26 weather team.
Monday at 6, the rules of the road in a school zone are important. They keep our children safe. We went on patrol with officers in the same neighborhoods our kids walk in, and not everyone's obeying the law. Busted in a school zone. Monday live at 6.
Vanilla ice cream and a peppermint chocolate chip.
The simple things become life.